little bigger.
Just a little past the stop. Oh, hey. I'm supposed to smile.
Oh, you got a lot of drag on that guy, don't you? Keep his head in the water now. Now just lift him up. Not quite ready, is he? There we go.
Woo! Woo-hoo! Another good one.
Nice.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ah, David,
Man.
Jumping in the boat now.
Woo-hoo.
Just jumping in the boat. David, look at the size of these. They're just jumping in the boat, man. It's unbelievable. You know what I wish? I wish Jerry was here. He's driving down 16 right now. Hey, baby.
Nice,
What,
nice.
20-pounder?
Oh, I'm sorry, Jerry.
Yeah, Jerry,
Watch this release here. It's
These are
gonna be nice.
Fish. We're gonna release these big guys like.
Hold him by his tail, and then wait for a minute and push him back and forth a little bit. And then once you feel that, you know, kind of give his tail a wiggle, like it's gonna swim, like he's gonna swim. Once you feel him kick with his tail, he's good. There you go. Nice job.
That was good.
I don't know. I guess we'll see. Nice action, Bill.
Getting him in here too quick for his old liking.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
You could have just
Sorry, David.
put him in the dang net. I didn't do it very good. I'm trying to hold the camera.
Oh, your camera.
Oh my gosh.
Kids there again.
Nice.
Oh man. Beautiful.
You know, close his
He's
tail.
a little bit bigger. He's probably
If he's over 23, he's too big.
24. Yeah, he's 24.
24, let him go.
Smile.
Yeah.
One more fish. Look at this big
Nice.
boy. They're jumping in the boat. Killing you. You gonna do what the other guy did?
Looks beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there he goes.
There he goes. Nice. Nicely done. All right.
Well, we're getting this down too. Knuckles.